Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to draw and color a super cute emoji. It is really easy. So let's get started. First I am going to draw a nice big circle. Very good. Very good. Now for the fun part, the eyes. Now draw two little hearts. One heart on the left side, another heart on the right side. Like these. Then give our emoji a happy smile. Like this. Our drawing is ready. Time for some color. Pick up your yellow color marker. Color the entire circle in yellow color. Color inside the big circle, but be careful not to color over the heart eyes or the mouth. Like these. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. And color in one direction to make it neat. You did it very well. Very good. Very good. Now we use red color for the hearts. Make the nice just like the real hearts. Like these. Very good. Let's color the inside of the mouth. Use red marker again and carefully color in the space inside the smile like this. And there you have it, a super cute emoji is ready. Allah Hafiz.